We apologize to interrupt programming, but we have an important announcement. Please stand by for a message from His Majesty, the King.
Thank you for tuning in, my loyal subjects, and also thank you for coming together as a nation in order to mourn for my great mother. She will truly be an inspiration to us all, but there is no denying that this nation has been a joke for years now. Many politicians have promised and have not delivered. Now with my great power, I will return this country to its former glory. Starting from today, Parliament will now be abolished for the foreseeable future. All parties have failed to act on the current challenges our nation has been facing. This is one great step to make our country great again. All protests all across the nation have been made illegal, and police will be armed and will not hesitate to use deadly force. All internet service providers will be required to monitor your internet activity. All websites and services that have not been approved by me will be blocked. Any attempts to circumvent this by using a VPN is strictly prohibited and will result in immediate arrest or possible execution. It is in your best interest to obey. All physical cash will be made obsolete. By June 1st, you must deposit all of your cash to your local bank and convert it to digital currency. All businesses must adapt to this change and will only take cards as an only form of payment. This will allow us to fairly monitor all transactions to prevent any illegal purchases. All able-bodied men from ages 16 to 50 must report to their local council hall for mandatory conscription. This is an important step, as we need to make our country strong again. Anybody who defies this law will be considered a traitor of this country. We cannot let this great nation continue the way it is. This emergency broadcast will now finish with our new national anthem, and then only monarchy-approved programming will be broadcasted. I thank you all for tuning in, and the United Kingdom will become the great nation it once was. More info will be available online soon. May God save the King.